Question 3, November 2020. I am Gaston Mapala. Welcome right here at Maths with Gaston. Let's have a look at Maths Paper 1 as we continue with our series on past papers. So this is looking very, very, very good. We are still in question 3. We are going to do question 4 up until the end of each and every paper that we are doing. It's a 3 years paper series that you are busy revising right here at Maths with Gaston. Please make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. All right, great stuff. So now today question is saying factorize fully. Already you can see right here we are given 3.1. Okay, 3.1 says factorize fully. We've got 64p to the power of 3 minus 1 over 27. Right, so now if I look at this one, is looks like it's a cubic. Looks like it's a cubic. For me, it looks very much like a cubic factorization. So if it's a cubic factorization, we know what to do with the cubic. We have a small bracket, then we've got a big bracket there. Then we take the cubic root of 64. It's giving me 4, and then p will stay at p. The cube root of this is giving me 1 over 3 rather. Okay, of 27, give me 1 over 3. The minus will remain as a minus, and then when you take 1 over 3, when you square it, it's going to give you 1 over 9, which is our last term. And then 64 needs to be multiplied by 4, needs to multiply by how much in order to give us 64. All right, it must be multiplied by 16, but let's not forget the p as well. We square the p so that when we multiply, it's going to take us back to p cubed. All right, and then the middle term, we know what to do is this term multiplied by this one. What does it give us? Okay, let me just see here. Oh yeah, here is positive rather. I forgot to put a plus sign here. Okay, 4 times that is going to give us 4p. All right, 4p times 1 is going to give us that all over 3. Okay, then you just multiply these terms together, you multiply them together, then you change the sign. The change sign here is a negative, therefore here is going to be positive. That's basically how you would deal with this one, factorizing of the cubes. Okay, now let's come to 3.2. If you've got questions here, guys, please make sure go and watch a video. Go and watch our video on factorizing of cubic, ne? Or on different types of factorization. They've got a nice series there. It's a playlist. Make sure that you watch all the videos so that you will are able to follow step by step on how to deal with the factorizing of cubic, or factorizing of difference between two squares, or factorizing of cubic, common factor, you name them. They're all here on this channel right here at Maths with Gaston. All right, okay, so let's come here. Let's see what we have. 24 ky cube minus 6ky minus 24y plus 96y3. Okay, great stuff. It's looking all right. If we come here, you can see that somehow this is some sort of like a grouping, because you can see ky here, I can see y here, y here. So what I would like to do is to group the ky's all together and then the y's all together, which means these ones here will stay together, then the ky's, which are these two, they will stay together as well. Okay, let's come here and see what can we do. Which common factor can we take out? We can take out k. We can take out 6ky as a common factor. Therefore, here we're going to be left with how much? We are going to be left with 4. You need to multiply by 4, and therefore we're going to be left with k. No, not with k. K is we already took it out as a common factor. We're going to be left with y squared. Is it? Yes, y squared. Okay, let me check. 6 times 4 gives us 24, which is good. K times 1 is going to give us k. That's correct. Y times y squared is going to give us y cubed. Correct. So far so good. I'm happy. Minus this times 1 is going to take us back here. 6ky multiply by 1 is going to give us negative 6ky. Close bracket, then I take out negative. Let me check what can I do here. I can take out 24y as a common factor. Common factor 24y. Therefore, 24 times what is going to give us minus 24y times 1 plus, let's see, no. We took out negative, so here is going to be minus, so that when we say negative times negative will give us positive. Great stuff. 24 times how much will give us 96? 24 times 4, therefore y times y squared will give us y cubed. Okay, there you go. Great stuff. All right, now I see here we have got y 4 squared minus 1 minus 4y. Really is not looking good there. I think we must take out a negative 1 as a common factor here, so that these things, they look the same. All right, okay, let's go ahead, moving right along. 6, there we go. This will remain as it is. So therefore here we take out negative 1 as a common factor. If we take out negative 1, this will be positive 24y. This will be positive 24y. Positive 24y. Close bracket. Therefore here you're going to have y squared minus 1, close bracket. Okay, and that's how you would deal with this one, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now here you've got similar things here in the brackets. Therefore it looks like our grouping. Then you can apply the grouping rule, which says whatever is outside the bracket should be put together. Here we are putting it together, and therefore whatever is left outside the bracket can therefore be left out like that. But if you look at this here, it's 4 squared and then 1 squared. Therefore this particularly is dots. Okay, you guys all know what is dots. Is the difference between two squares. Therefore I think we can factorize even further there, because the question said factorize fully. So when you come here, you're going to see 24y. Therefore double bracket, we will put double brackets here. We're going to have 2y, therefore 2y plus 1, and then the other one minus 1. Excuse the phone, guys. I'll pick it up just now. And that's how you would deal with a question like this one. I am Gaston Mapala. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I will see you on the next upload.